Today I'm taking a look at VEVOR Shackles. So it does come with instructions, and we got a couple of different models on here. So this one is the G209 4.75T. So it's going to be a 3/4 inch, and you can have that in orange, black, or red. Pretty nicely packed for something you're going to beat up. Although with the color, that's actually a very nice color. Maybe just put this on a show truck. But we can see that we got a couple of rubber washers on here, a couple of different thicknesses as well. So if you want this to go on a thinner receiver or something like that, we can use the thick ones or the small ones to accommodate it. It is printed on here 3/4, and we can see our pin is just going to unthread, and that threads directly into the shackle. I did put a rubber guard on there to help protect it. It can prevent a lot of the chipping that's going to occur on the paint if you actually use this thing. But nice and fairly heavy duty looking. Doesn't have all those fancy little designs that you sometimes get on these things. This is nice, plain Jane, simple shackle. And we got two of them. Now, a shackle is not really needed for this because this is designed to hook directly to it. But at least we can show I looked at something heavy. There we go. Shackles are one of my favorite ways of rigging things. Just the fact that you can hook it onto something, you don't have to worry about it falling off. Like with a hook, there's always a chance the rope could fall off. With a shackle, that's not really going to happen. And plus, just having the strength of having the thing being completely looped, that's just a better way to go. So yeah, that is a very nice shackle.